Now, this is so awesome. I'm loving my backyard, you guys. That's why I haven't been doing a whole bunch of decorating the inside, because we really focused on getting our backyard together and having privacy. So a fence was definitely a part of that. And you can tell that the grass hasn't connected yet. You can still see when they laid the grass that it's like little blocks. And of course, most of this is weeds. But I'm just happy to see that the grass is dry, okay? Because it has been raining so much in Atlanta. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the dark, because we put lights on, which they're solar powered lights we got from Lowe's. I think my husband went to Lowe's to purchase these. So yeah, and it's on every other post. And it's so pretty when I sit out here with him at nighttime, you guys. I just cannot wait. And this is what it looks like. You know, I don't really have the patio furniture that I have up top. Of course, I'm going to get rid of it because that's what we had at our apartments. Yeah, I no longer want it. I really have a great idea of what I want to do with it. Something else that is really different about it is that this was a little bitty square. If you saw the before picture, this was a square. So it costs a lot of money to get someone to come and lay down concrete. And of course, we have a home association. You have to get their approval. I wish I could show y'all exactly what it looked like before, or somebody else's. It's a lot of neighbors that hadn't stretched theirs out. So the next important thing it was for us, of course, to purchase was a grill before I did patio furniture, because we like to grill and kick it and hang out. And there's nothing else I can say about that. And of course, I need to buy Pup a nice little place to keep all of his dog toys. One thing that was added that didn't come with the place, of course, was this little tree. Let's just go over here. This is my husband's peach tree, which we won't have any peaches on this peach tree until my oldest son go off to college. So about 4.5, 5 years. But he wanted it, so he gets it. He let me pick out everything else. The least I can do is give him a peach tree in the front and the backyard. I had some guys come and lay some mulch down because I didn't like the little straw crap that the home came with. I hated it. And I think I want to get the kids a volleyball net so we can kick it. You know, extra stuff that we can entertain in our backyard. So I definitely wanted to give you guys an update. And my husband, well, the only thing that we've done really so far is concrete. We've purchased the gate and got a fence all the way around. And then we actually painted or stained the fence with this kind of really pretty, like burnt orange. It's just so, I love it. I love it. I love it. I think. And this is the balcony area. Not so dramatic. This is the balcony area. I love it. I love to sit out here and have coffee, but it doesn't feel like my vision yet. Y'all know what I mean. Us decorators know that this is we need something that's gonna be here for now. So of course I just took what was from my old place and put it here, but this doesn't give this space justice. It doesn't do anything for the space. But in the morning, I love sitting out here drinking coffee. You know, while we've been quarantining. Okay, but you hear my husband downstairs. I'm downstairs. He getting on my nerve. He know I'm filming. Is the fire going, baby? Because you loud.
You want me to stop being loud?
No, you don't have to. Because I'm just going to come down there and see what you got on the grill.
I'm not gonna stay dark,